5 Best Robotic Pool Cleaners Reviews. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin runs along the floor and climbs to the water line up sidewalls of your pool and scrubs off the grime, grunge, and algae that can accumulate in a pool when it's not used for a few days. If you have a swimming pool that is up to 50 feet in length, this is the perfect cleaning tool that will automatically take care of all the hard work for you. Its patented Clever Clean technology gets spectacular performance at a very low cost. The other advantages it has is that its 60-foot cable won't get tangled, as it has a full 360-degree swivel that allows you to place it anywhere in your pool. From there, just let it do its thing, and it will finish in about 3 hours, and you have a pristine pool in which to play once more. Number 2. Hayward Tiger Shark. When you want your swimming pool cleaned fast and you do not have 3 hours. You need something fast, and nothing is quicker than a Tiger Shark. It races about and within 90 minutes and then you can enjoy your pool again. The Tiger Shark deals with pools up to size 20x40. Its patented technology allows it to clean your pool within 90 minutes or less. This is due to highly efficient 24V motors that use less power than you've ever seen before. The onboard pump provides heavy-duty vacuum power that sucks up dirt, algae, dead insects, and leaves quickly and easily. Cleanup is a snap as you just rinse the filter assembly with the garden hose after it's done. Number 3. Dolphin Premier Pool Cleaner. Newest and best of pool cleaners today with 360 degrees of cable rotation with the sensor suite that puts the other to shame, that cleans everywhere, shallow, and deep with ease. This unit is so reliable that the maker sells it with a 3-year warranty, and that is just for openers. Like a Navy submersible, it maps the contours of your entire pool and then proceeds to follow its dimensions in a systematic and precise manner that ensures you the best in a clean pool. While it traverses your pool's sides and bottom, its specially designed treads moves it smoothly and at the same time breaks up the buildup of dirt, grunge, as well as dead insects. Number 4. Dolphin Quantum Robotic. With the latest technology available for 2017, the Quantum is ready to take on your pool's cleaning needs. Along with an advanced navigation system, you have the best optimal cleaning with this robotic helper. This is not a redesigned Dolphin, this is a completely new Dolphin designed and built from the ground up to meet the needs of anyone who owns a pool that requires maintenance and is made especially for a person who does not want to do it by hand. The Quantum's PowerJet 3D lets the unit deliver more work with less energy and uses the least amount of effort with highly efficient DC motors that jet this unit around your pool in record time, and as he goes about its duties consumes less power than any other unit and its size class. Number 5. Polaris F9450 Sport. The Polaris F9450 tools around with a 4-wheel drive that allows it to speed about vacuuming your pool's bottom and sides spotlessly, and with its 7-day timer makes it autonomous. When it is done, a quick flick dumps the debris. One of the largest canisters of any robotic cleaner on the market today, it can take everything from small dead insects to large leaves with equal ease. The 4-wheel drive capacity allows it to maneuver and go about its job efficiently and quickly. You almost don't even know it's there until it's time to empty the quick-release canister that keeps your hands clean while taking debris from your pool to the trash. Your hands will never touch soggy leaves, dirt, and other debris that drips into your pool.